Hey guys, Steph here with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds. Our tiny bag of the day has got a lot of attention from Tory Burch. We've got a Dillard's What Goes Around Comes Around unboxing. Let's go ahead and get right to that. We've got a Gucci item that I did pick up at the Dillard's What Goes Around Comes Around here in Gulfport, Mississippi. And we got the double C card case. There's the tag. Comes with the Gucci dust bag and all of the good stuff from what goes around comes around. Now a little Gucci bag. And so there's our double C wallet. And it has the Gucci cards inside. And it is in excellent shape. So that's fantastic. Just happy to pick those pieces up here. And maybe I'll get over to New Orleans sometime soon. So that's our little Gucci goodies. And this is our Christian Dior set that came from Ulta with the Christian Dior. I wanted to show you guys this too. And so that was that little item. And let's look at the wallet one more time. I've got to get out of here. So wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. And I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. And click like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. It has a card slot here. It has a card slot here. Ooh, this is minty fresh, guys. Minty fresh. Okay, just lovely, just a lovely piece. And I got my 10% discount with this that I use for my Dillard's card, and I got it for I think $3.40. So not a bad price there, and not bad for a little luck shopping in Biloxi. Love you guys. See you later. See you when I get home. Mama, bye.